name is Raval Sakshi. I am studying in FY BCom Division F. My roll number is 722 and I am from SDJN International College.
Whole life policy and its advantages and disadvantages. Meaning of whole life policy. When the term of insurance extends to cover whole life, that is until death of the life assurance, it is known as whole life policy. Theoretically, the premiums under the policy must be paid until death. The assured sum becomes payable only after the death of assured. It is clear that this policy is not useful because the premium are to be paid for a very long period and only the death risk is covered and premiums are low. LIC nowadays settles the payment of sum assured and accrued bonuses if the assured attains the age of 80. Even the premiums are low. These policies are not very popular. Alternatively, limited payment plans are considered better, where the insured pays premium till certain age and afterwards the cover continues till death under the sum assured with accrued bonuses are paid. Further, this policy is not beneficial to insured. It is beneficial to nominee or beneficiaries only. Here, protection of family is given due importance. The policy does not have any element of investment. Now that there is an exception in whole life policy, if the assured survives up to the age of 100 years, the sum assured is paid to the assured himself herself. Advantages. Rate of premium is less as compared to that of other policy. Second advantage. The surrender value of this policy is received at the later stage. Third advantage. The benefit of policy goes to heirs of a deceased. Fourth advantage. This policy is convenient to pay inheritance tax. Fifth advantage. It can be converted in other type of policy. Disadvantages. Since the insured has to pay premium for the whole life, in old age incomes become limited, it becomes difficult to pay the premiums. Second, if a man lives for a long time, the premium amount may cross over the insured sum. Thank you for watching.